Hello, my name is Dave Farmer from Line Consultancy, and I want to talk to you today about EFG, Enterprise Finance Guarantee. Now, this subject came up again recently with a client, and they'd applied to their bank for an EFG loan. Now, the EFG scheme is a really good scheme. And what it does is when you can't provide security for the borrowing, and the only reason your high street bank won't give you that loan is because you haven't got the security, the government will step in and provide a guarantee to the bank, which gives them the comfort to lend you the money. It sounds great, and in essence, it works very well. However, it is probably the hardest business loan to get approved. Now, the reason why that is because if we look historically at the default rate on different types of borrowing, EFG loans typically have a higher default rate. And whilst banks have a guarantee from the government that if the borrower defaults, they will get their money back, there are a few caveats around that. It is not quite as simple as it's made out. Now, those caveats mean that those high street lenders that use the EFG scheme are very cautious. And as such, as I say, it is one of the hardest business loans to get approved. Now, I'm not discouraging you from applying, but my bit of advice to you is look at the alternatives, because there are alternatives out there. Now, those alternatives may come at a different cost over a different period and a different structure, but they're worth looking at, because actually it could be the solution that's the better fit and a much quicker solution than the traditional EFG loan. Bear it in mind, if you think about EFG, get in contact, we'll talk you through it, and there may be a couple of alternatives that are slightly better for you. Any questions? You know who we are. Get in touch. Talk to you again soon.